Hello friend, welcome to Technology Channel International. In this video, I will help you to create website using AI. Okay, first of all, let's talk about what we are going to build. We are going to build personal website. You can create personal website your own, and I will also help you to publish website in just some minutes. Okay, this process is very easy. Now let's create personal website. You can go to chatgpt.com or any other LLM. I will also open deepseek.com. Okay, go to deepseek.com and okay. Now in ChatGPT, you just need to write a prompt. Okay, I'll say create professional personal website using HTML. Just write as it is. CSS. You can also modify the things. Okay, for this, just write as it is. That will be good. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Okay, this is good. And I'll say create website in single file. Okay, this is good. And now here is my info. Okay, just give triple quotes here, and at the in triple quotes you can write your info here. Okay, just write your info here. I'll say name Bishworaj Poudel, and I'll say tagline computer teacher, and this is name, this is tagline, and another thing is services teaching and IT consultation. Okay, and name, taglines, services, and I'll say projects, and I will just paste some of the projects. Okay, this is one of my project, learn AI app, and this is one of my project. I'll say 1, 2. You can also, if you have any project, then you can write it, or if you don't write this section, that will be complete fine. You can write anything. Okay, that is completely depend upon you. I will also paste another app link, that is Learn Computer Basic. Okay, I'll paste it here. Learn Computer Basic app, and okay, this is good. And I'll say email info@brp.com.np, and in personal website we need to write name, tagline, services, projects, email, and let me also go to my personal website. Okay, brp.com.np, and let's see what we can write about. Okay, about information. I'll just paste this one. Okay, you can write about you. Okay, I'll just paste it. Okay, this is good. And services, okay, that is already available. Portfolio is available, and okay, that is good. All cool. Okay, now this is the prompt, and I will copy, and I will also provide this prompt to YouTube video description. You can easily copy from there. Okay, I'll just click on reason. Okay, if you click on reason, and I'll say click a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and click here, and it will start generating code, and I'll also paste it to deepseek.com and I'll enable DeepThink. Okay, it may also take some time. Okay, now everything is good. Okay, here is our code. That's very interesting. Okay, I'll copy this code and just say online HTML, run online HTML. Okay, and you can go to onecompiler.com, this website, and click on run. Okay, here is our website. Here you can see our website is ready. If I click on contact, then it will move to contact section. Wow, that is nice. It's a clean and nice website. And if I click on service, it will move to service section. You can see. You can also say here, please add website is good. Website is good. Please add app development service, because I can build app for both Android and iOS. Okay, you can give the prompt and it will reply you, and it will give you a code. Okay, and you can just check that code. Okay, here is the DeepSeek code. We will also check it. Okay. Okay, I'll copy this code and paste it here and click on run. Okay, here is the website, and here you can see app development service is added. Okay, this is good. And okay, this is good, this is cool. And okay, now here is one option, run HTML in DeepSeek. Click here. Okay, here you can see this is also good website. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I'll just copy this code, okay, and paste it here and run this one. Oh, this is also nice. Here we can see the photo. Okay, that is interesting. Bishworaj Poudel, computer teacher and IT consultant, empowering tech education for career success. My services, teaching. Okay, feature project. Wow, this is nice. I like it. Okay. Okay, now the time is to publish the website. Just copy this code and go to github.com. Okay, I'll open github.com, github.com. Go to this website, and here you need to create a repository. If you don't have GitHub account, then you can create a GitHub account. After creating a GitHub account and email validation, you will see this option. Click on new option here, and in the new, write your name. I'll say BRP website. Okay, and you can provide a description, and I'll say my personal website. Okay, I'll just say this thing, and click on public and click on create repository. It will create a repository for you, and click on creating new site, and here you need to write index.html, index.html, and paste the website code. Okay, I'll just copy this code and paste it here, and click on commit change, and click on commit change. Okay, this is good. And after that, click on settings, and here you can see pages option. Click on pages, and here you can choose the branch, choose the main branch, and click on save. Okay, and after 30 seconds it will provide you one website link, and you can also add your custom domain. Okay, it is doing its work. And if you want to learn AI, then I have one app for you. This is Learn AI app. You can download it from Google Play Store, and I'm uploading this app to Apple Store, and it may take some time to release. You can, if you are using in Android, then you can download it and try this app. With this app, you can learn AI, and you can give exam and get certified. Okay. If I click on reload, okay, here is our website link. If I click, here is our website link. Congratulations. If you want to change something, then go to this website and click on index.html and click on edit icon. Okay, and you can change this thing from here. Computer teacher, I'll say AI teacher. Okay, and if I commit change, okay, and it will reflect in website in some time. Okay, here you can see pending tags. If I click on this, when this get tick mark, then our website will be published. This update will be published. Okay. Okay. Okay, now everything is good. Okay, it is deploying, publishing our website. Okay, now everything is okay. If I reload this one, here you can see AI teacher. Okay, in this way you can also change the website. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. See you.